Welcome to Twinkle and Learning Corner. Let's have some fun. Today we will be learning the names of some fruits. Apple, apple. Orange, orange. Pear, pear. Strawberry, strawberry. Banana, banana. Kiwi, kiwi. Mango, mango. Guava, guava. Cherry, cherry. Watermelon, watermelon. Thank you for watching.